guys, it's me, Star here. Today I'm going to be seeing if I can even get any glitches right here, so let's just go to YouTube and I'm going to see and search up any glitches and adopt me. So, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so I haven't checked out any glitches yet, but let's just go and see if we can get any glitches now. So let's go. Okay, so let's just go ahead and search right now. Okay, like I can't spell. Adopt Me 2020. Okay, so this was 3 weeks ago. So this is 1 week ago. So I'm gonna just probably okay. I'm just gonna like try. So let's just watch it. I wonder why it was Coco. It was 3 weeks ago. Kind of weird. Okay, I'm trying to sell my sister's account so she never plays because I'm not going to stand it. I don't want to. I guess, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to try this on my phone. So let's just like keep on watching. I don't know, but I'm trying it. Yeah, he definitely made a new account. funny. Or not. Like, what? That's so fake. That's not even the money. That's not how the money even looks. That's fake. Why would I trust that? I'm not gonna trust that. I'm gonna find a new one. So I found this one is duplicate. Okay, so how to do duplicate president Roblox back.
So much. I've been gone for like 2 weeks, and I know I haven't been as active. It's because
it's a boy dressed up as a girl.
These days, you know, with the coronavirus and with school and everything, it's so crazy. And I have the time to actually make good content for you guys, because like I'm not going to school, I'm not going to nowhere, I'm not going anywhere. So you guys should stay home too, because it's safe for everyone. So everyone, make sure you stay home, because it's the best thing that we can do right now. And then we're gonna go up to them, and hopefully we find someone, because I really want to duplicate my Neon Shadow Dragon. And if I can duplicate my Neon Shadow Dragon, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna have 2 Neon Shadow.
Find a new one. Why is there so many duplicates? I'm gonna just try this one.
If you ever buy Xbox gear, you should use Wikibuy. It's a browser extension.
Hey, what is up, guys? It is Ellisfia here, back again for another awesome video on Adopt Me. Who would have guessed? Not me, not you, not me. What am I talking about? I don't know. Anyway, guys, I have found another secret in Adopt Me. My Romanian hacker called me again. This time at 7 a.m, so I was quite happy. He called me at 7 a.m. Normally he calls me at 6 a.m. and I'm like, listen, mate, I've got to get my $3. Okay? Let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first glitch is...
I really don't think...
Okay, guys, for the first glitch, this is what you want to do. You want to head over to the underground passageway, which is located on the bridge towards the home, which is right here. The underground passageway, and the door should open for you. If the door doesn't open for you, that means you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. So subscribe. Otherwise, this glitch will not work. If this glitch doesn't work, that means you're not subscribed. And if you are subscribed and the glitch doesn't work, that means that there's something wrong, and I will figure out what it is. I can never get on top of this. I don't know why. Okay, so once you inside this magical cave, for those of you who don't know, this magical cave came out a while ago, but people think it's only a Neon creator cave, because for those of you who have never had a Neon before, this is where you create a Neon pet. You put like pets. 4 full grown-up pets go up here. This is where you put them. For those of you who don't know. But there are other secrets inside this cave. Other cool secrets. So what you want to do is go towards the green place. Remember, guys, you have to subscribe. Otherwise, the servers cannot transfer the data to the mainframe. Because my Romanian hacker made it so that you have to subscribe to me for this to work. And if you do subscribe and it doesn't work, that means the developers have probably patched it. But that doesn't matter, because my Romanian hacker literally calls me every single morning with new glitches that I upload for you guys. And sometimes the developers get to it really, really fast. So like when you guys get home from school or work or whatever you're doing, college, work, you know, delivering children, who knows what your profession is, teaching, you know, when you get home, they probably sometimes have repatched it. Some people think that I'm lying about these glitches, but sometimes the developers patch it really, really fast. But okay, guys, let's go to the first. So you guys are probably wondering what all of these crystals are doing around the map. These crystals have purposes. They contain server information inside these crystals, and they're stored inside this room. Now, think of these crystals like a padlock into the secrets of Adopt.Me. Once you open the padlock, you learn about the secrets, and the secrets are free stuff. Now, to be honest, this looks awesome. So what I'm going to do is jump up here, and once you've jumped up here, you're going to type this code, the secret code. The secret code starts with get colon capital bucks equals, and now this is where you type in how many bucks you want from the glitch. So just get colon bucks. Remember, guys, you have to be at my exact location, facing my exact way. Now I'm facing literally where you put your pets for the neon. If you're facing the opposite way, it will not work. Make sure you're facing straight ahead. Right here, look straight ahead. Get bucks equals. You can literally type in as many bucks as you want.
Know about this.
Obviously, the more bucks you put, the more risky it is. If you put like 1,000 bucks, you'll stay under the radar. What my remaining hacker told me was that, do like 10,000 bucks an hour, so that the developers, so like Fissy and Beething, can't figure out like what you're doing. Because if you put like 1 billion bucks, the server will transfer that information to the developers, and they're going to see it. Like, how did this user get 1 billion bucks on their account? That's impossible. But if you put like 1,000, they'll be like, oh yeah, 1,000, yeah, blah 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 blah. It'll just like, they won't even see it. They'll just like ignore it. But if they see like billions from one person, they'll be like, oh, what is going on? There's a glitch that we need to patch. Okay, so I'm gonna put like 20,000 bucks. 20,000, 20, 1, 2, 3, 20. Get bucks equals 20,000. Now, the glitch isn't over, there's more steps, so don't run away just yet. So once you've gone on this tree, you're gonna jump down, boop, and then go towards this tree, jump up, and go to this crystal over here. Go to this crystal. Now you can't actually jump on top of that crystal, but get to as close as the crystal as you can. The closer you are to the crystal, the easier it will be for the servers to recognize what you're trying to achieve in the mainframe. So this is as close as you're going to get to the crystal, which is fine. You don't have to go on top of it like the one we did before. And then...
Oh my gosh.
Make sure you're just facing straight ahead and type your username in brackets, so mine's Alicia, equals, and then hashtag. You need to type this number. This number was created by my remaining hacker. My remaining hacker found out this number was necessary for the glitch to work because it sends information to the mainframe servers. So this is the number 6719012. Now this is a number that tells the servers that what you're trying to do, which is get Robux. It mimics admin commands, so the server thinks you're an admin, but you're really not an admin. So Listia equals hashtag 6719012. Once you do that, wait, there's one more step. Don't go just yet. You're gonna jump down, and then go to the middle of here, right here in the middle. And face the blue circle over here. Face the blue circle, make sure you're facing the blue circle, and then type this code. Let me just check my files. Okay, so we've done the first code, the second code,